All truckers, we move the nation economy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you come across this video. So I dey make this video to all truck drivers out there. This na time to cry out. We don't cry, we don't beg. They no hear us. So this na time for we to cry out. I dey talk concerning we and our contractors and companies, our salary, our welfare. Imagine as a truck driver, your salary na 50,000 as we did now. How much be bag of rice? Me and you know, if you be family man, you know what they talk about. Then or you dey collect 65,000 as your salary. No be say the companies they no dey pay better salary. The companies then they pay better salary, but now our contractors, na then they cheat us, na then they cut our head. Why it go be like that? Monkey dey work, bamboo dey chop. Secondly, truck driver for Nigeria, our contractors then they pay us pension, of which the companies then they pay pensions. They give our contractors, then our contractors, them they need they pay us the pension. Tell me now for this risk job now, person they work, no pension. How it makes sense to even the people them where they chop this money first? Monkey they work, bamboo they chop. Then again, dispatch. You go load from Lagos to Abuja, they are all Onitsha. Just name the location. Like Abuja now they give you 15,000, and they give you 12,000. And my journey be say you know you go, you know go fit come back in 3 days. You know, in 2 days. Based on the road condition we did today. You see, they give us less dispatch. Another one again, as it is, some of these companies they give diesel wey they reach, but you know see, you get the kind truck we go dey, you get that kind diesel we go give am. We go suppose carry and go. You know go fit carry diesel, then they give new truck, they give old truck, they expect the same result. You know go work like that. Go ask even the people do the motor, then go tell you. Then again, our health. Company supposed to dey take care of our health, our family. Some of these companies they agree to take care of your health as a driver with your four kids. You understand? But our contractors they hold all those things.